Hi, how are you? Hope so you are doing well. So this is the main screen, the login screen of the software. You need to insert username and password to log in this system. When you will press the login, this is the dashboard screen. On the dashboard, you will get an overview of the complete software, either what is going on with your application, with your business. For example, you have three categories of your shop. Number one is shop, second one is on the road, and third one is one off. So these are the business locations I have created for you, and on this dashboard you can easily see the graphs, the data, the payment due payments, everything. So here you can easily see whose payment is due and purchase payment due, everything you can see on the dashboard. And on the left hand side, these are the total menu items of our software. From the products menu, there are a lot of options. You can add your product, whatever you have in your you have product in your business. You can easily click on the add product. Here you can declare the name of the product, the unit, either it is in piece or something else. If you want to create some units, you can create from directly from here. You can give the category of this product item, the subcategories, and this is the option if you want to manage your stock for this product. For example, for the inventory stock items, if you want to sell and you want to maintain the inventory calculation, then you need to click this manage stock item. This is the alert quantity. For example, if you will get you will give the number 10 in this box, then when your products the remaining products will be set to 10. After when you have remaining products 10 in your stock, it will give you notification in the notification menu from here or on the dashboard that you have total 10 products remaining, and then you need to purchase more items or you need to add more items in your stock. Everything is here. You can give rack, row, position, everything for all shops categories, and anything. If you have a tax system in your country, you can add tax for this product, the purchase price in excluding tax and including tax, and the profit margin in percentage you can also give, and in amount you can also give, and everything, the product image. And these are two buttons. For example, save and add opening stock, and save and add another. For example, if you are just creating your product, the product name, for example, the chemise you already sent me, I have just declared, I just created the chemise product. And after creating your product, you just need to add opening stock, then you need to click on this one. And if you just need to add product and you want to add product and in inventory by after purchasing, for example, you want the system to calculate the inventory by selling and purchasing. If you have product, then you first need to purchase those items from your vendor, and then you need to go to this menu, add purchase. Then from this form you just need to enter the product name and everything, the prices, everything. And if you don't want to mess up with the purchases, then you can directly add opening stock from here. Okay. And after that, list products. The list products will show you all of your products in this list. For example, there are two products with chemise. The business location for this product is shop, and for this same name is business location is the on the road. Okay, everything is here. The stock, even the stock report on this tab, you can easily check the stock report of the items. And from product stock history, you can easily check for this product either what happened with this product, whenever you sell this product, whenever you transfer this product, and whenever you open with opening stock. Everything is here. This is just like a stock report. After this one, you can easily update the price from here. For example, you want to update the prices of for example 100 of products at a time, Then with the CSV Excel file you can easily import from that file, and it will update the prices of the products. These are for the print labels. For example, you have printing labels on your product for the barcode scanner. This is the variation. For example, you have the uniform, and the variation is just like a size. If either it is the small size, medium or large, you can declare the color, everything you can add for this. Import products, if you don't want to enter manually, then you can add also from the CSV Excel file. A lot, hundred of products at a time you can add in the system. This is the import from the Excel file. You can import the opening stock, units, you can create units, categories, the brands, everything from this menu. For the purchases, you can add purchases from this menu. For example, the supplier name, you want to select supplier, the reference number, if you want to give the reference number. Purchase status, for example, purchase status, what is the status of your purchase? Either you have received the purchase items, or it is still ordered or pending. Whatever you will mention, it will show here. Then after this one, by this one, you will just put the product name here, the discount, everything. You will finish this one from the purchase from here. And after the purchase, then if you want to sell the item, all sales, if you want to see whatever you have sell. For example, for sell items, for testing purpose, I just sell out 2 items, so it is showing 2 items in the list. And you can easily print the slip, invoice, packing slip, delivery note, everything. If somebody want to return the item, then you can easily sell return from here. For example, I want customer came back to me and he want to return it, then I will add entry from here. And this is basically if you want to give quotations, if you want to give any or if you want just you want to save some drafts, you can easily do it from here. You can also import sales from Excel file, bulk of items. If you want to import from a backup file or something else, then you can easily import. And this is the stock transfer. This is just for the purpose, for example, you need to transfer some of your stock for on the road, or one off, I think so. For example, after 15 days you want to sell items in one school or another school, then you will just add stock transfer from here. For example, this is the transfer date. When you want to transfer your stock, you will select the date, and the main thing is here, the status: pending, in transit and completed. By this you can see that stock transfer will not be editable if status is completed. If the status is completed, then this entry will not be editable. Okay, this is the stock transfer, and from which shop, from which business location you want to from location, and to which location you want to transfer, you need to select here. You need to type, for example, or you can also use the barcode scanner for this one, how many items you want to transfer to that store. And by click on save button, then you will move to this list of transfer. For example, I have entry this one is the completed, and this one is the pending. And if you want to see this view items, see, this is the product and I want to transfer 20 pieces. The product price is here, and it is still, I will show you, it is still in pending status. And what you want, what you can do for this one, in transit or completed. For example, you just make an entry, then it will be on the pending. If you will transfer and it is in still in the transit, you can select this one. And when you will complete this, if it is in pending, it means that from the main stock it didn't deduct any stock. And when it will complete, when you will complete this status, for example, I am just clicking on completed and I will click update. See, it is not allowed mismatch between sold and purchase quantity. It means that, what it means, total of 20 items, I want to transfer 20 items, but when I come to my stock report, and it is from the this location, see how many pieces are available in the current stock. See, this is I have in the main stock I have total 15 pieces in my stock, but for stock transfer I have entry of 20 pieces. So when it will happen, it will give an error. So it should be match. For example, if you have 20 items here in the transfer menu, then you should have also same quantity in your main stock. Okay, when you will complete this one, for example, when I finish this one completed, it will transfer from the main stock to the that store. I will show you from here. For example, for this product I will show you from the stock report. See, I for till today I just sell out 5 items. See this one, stock transfers, how many stocks I have transferred, 5 items I have transferred. And this is the opening stock. When I entered this product, I have entered 30 opening stock items, and out of which one total I have 5 plus 5 plus 5, total 2 are sell out, and 5 are 5 and 5, 10 are sell out, and 5 stocks are transferred from this store to another store. So remaining are 15. So after this one, if you want to if you want to make some adjustment, if you have some damaged stock in your inventory and you want to give an entry, you can enter the entry from here. If you want to create users for your software, you can easily add users from here. Roles, you can easily add roles from here, edit roles. For example, the cashier roles, you want to give some sort of permissions, either he can view, add, edit or delete some items, then you can easily, by clicking these things, you can give him the permissions. I've also put some extra features, just like a sales commission agents. If you have sales commission agents, you can easily add sales commission agents from here. And whenever you will go for sell some item, for example, I am going to sell this item. See, here is the commission agent list. When you will select this one, then some sort of whatever you have mentioned, the commission ratio, the number, the margin, the percentage, it will goes to that commission agent automatically. So these are the contacts. For example, the suppliers you want to add, for the vendors, the customers, if you want to add some customers, and if you have some expenses, and if you this is the basically account system. You can check the balance sheet, you can check everything. For example, list accounts, whenever you have an entry of selling some item, or an entry of some purchasing an item, then it will show you everything in your account book. For example, I have 2 accounts, account payable and account receivable. Account receivable, whenever I am selling anything, and on cash basis, the cash items are coming into this account. If I will click on this account book, see everything is here. This is the I have already sell out this item to this person on cash, and the amount was debited, the balance is here, everything will be here. The account system, payment account report, you can easily come here for the payment account report. For example, there are two entries for this product selling, and it is showing that this is the invoice number, this is the amount, and in which account it is coming. The cash is coming into this account, and the customer was here. If I will click link account, I can easily change the account to which it should be linked. Okay, for example, I want to change to the cash account. I have a cash account in my account system, then I can easily click from here. I can change the link for that account. Okay, for the reports, there is a profit loss report. In this profit loss, you can easily check. This is the overview of profit loss report from all the locations. You can easily select location here, it will change automatically. Everything is here, the filters are here, and this is the gross profit, and this is the net profit, profit by products. If you want want to see profit by products, profit by categories, everything is here. Profit by invoice, profit by date, profit by customer, profit by day. Okay, for the profit system every report is here. And for this purchase and sale, this is the purchase and total, how many purchases you till today you have in your system, how many sales are there, everything is here. Again, it is for all locations. You can select your location, it will change automatically. This is a tax report, supplier and customer report, customer group report, stock reports. This is the same stock report, how many stock items you have in your stock, and stock adjustment reports, the trending products, item reports. This is just for item wise report. See, this is the your product, and if there is a lot number or something else, you can easily you can also for every report you can easily export into CSV, Excel. You can print it out directly, you can export it as a PDF file. This is a product purchase report, product sell report, purchase payment report, sell payment report, expense report, register report, sales representative. This is a sales representative, sale agent report, just like the user who was selling. This is the sales with commission, this is sale with commission, and expenses, everything. And this is the register report. Register is just like your entry registered. Whenever you will come here, this is the point of sale button. When you will open the point of sale for your shop, it will ask you how many cash in your hand. For example, today if you open your shop and you have cash, zero cash in your hand, then you will enter zero and you will select. For example, I am just opening with zero. For which shop? This my branch, shop branch. I will open my register, and whenever I will sell any item from this point of sale screen, then it will just go to my register details. This is the register details button. Cash in hand, because I opened it with the zero. When whenever I will close my register or in the night or off timing of my office, then it will show how many cash in my hand. Then I will tally the total amount, how many items I just sell out today. Everything will come here. You can easily print out directly from here. And for example, I'm just going to close this register. It will give you this screen again. Today is it will show you the today date and everything is. Then you will click close register and you will come here again. And for the DB backup, for example, you want to backup your database, you can easily click by add. Then it will just show you like this one, and you can download the complete database for future use. These are for the notification templates. If you will host your this software on live domain, then the emails will goes to your customer and the supplier to their email addresses, whatever you enter in their details from here. Okay, these are the general settings for your business setting. Business settings is here. For business, you want to give the name of your software, the profit person, how many profit person, the default, whatever you will give here, it will goes to the selling item. For example, I just put it 25% here. When I will go come here, add sale, and when I will add some product here, it will automatically calculate 25% margin for that product, and it will calculate the total amount automatically. And the currency, you can change currency from here. The time zone, the logo, if you want to change your logo, the financial year start from which month your financial year is starting. This is the stock accounting method, first in first out, last in first out. It is just for the stock items. And if you want to edit some of your transactions, then you can give numbers according. For example, I just give 30 days, then within 30 days I can edit my transactions. Then, and if I give 15 days, then within 15 days after those mentioned days, I cannot change anything in my transaction. Okay. And for the tax, which tax you have, for example GST, VAT, you can declare here for the product. If you want to give expiry, if you want to disable enable some things, you can easily, this is just like a content management system. I am giving you all of the options so that you cannot you can say you cannot be dependent on totally on myself. You can easily do everything with your own hands. For the contacts, this is just for the credit limit. If your customer or supplier have some credit limit, you can give credit limit here. This is just for the default sale discount. For rounding method, for amount rounding method. Allow overselling. Allow overselling means if you have for example stock items, 15 stock items, and you want to sell 20 stock items, then you can easily overselling do overselling, and from the incoming new stock, it will automatically adjust from the new stock. Okay, if you want to enable sales order before give any invoice, if you want to generate, you can easily open it here. This is just for the commission agent and point of sale. These are for the shortcut keys. If you want to give some shortcut keys, if you want to disable enable something in the point of sale screen, purchases, this is just for purchasing screen, and a lot of options are here. It will, if you want to you can say disable some module, for example purchase module, you want to disable this module. If you want to disable any kind of modules, you can easily do it from here. And these are the business locations. I just created 3 business locations according to your requirements, and for every business locations I can easily select the invoice scheme, the invoice format. I can easily define that format. For example, for this one my invoice format is this, and for another branch it will be another one. And from where I can declare the invoice format, this is my invoice. From you can easily set from which number or sequential number your invoice number should be started, and invoice layout. For the thermal printer I have some sort of invoice, and for this one I will show you some I will show you one invoice just like an example from the sales. For example, this was my sale, and from the actions menu I will show print invoice. When I will click print, this will be the invoice with your logo, with your branch name, address, mobile number, GST, and you can easily customize these things. If you don't want this logo, you can disable. If you don't want this, if you want add something, I will show you from where you can easily. You need to come here in invoice setting, invoice layouts. For example, this is the normal, the default one. Here show invoice logo. If you will disable, uncheck this option, then the logo will disappear from the. If you want some text on the header, you can put here. If you want some text in the footer, you can put here. A lot of other items are here. You can easily explore, and for example show customer information, landmark, city name, state, country. I want to show these things on the invoice, and SKU, anything you want to enable or disable, you can easily. If you want QR code on the thermal printer, you can easily put QR code also from here. This is just for the barcode setting. This is a sticker. Basically, if you want to print some stickers for your products, prices plus you can say the barcode, you can easily do it from here. You need to put the sticker sheet name, the margin, everything, then you can easily put. This is for the receipt printers. If you have printers in the network, if you have thermal printer, you can add those printers and it will directly print out the point of sale receipt. These are for the tax rate. For example, I just declared for the VAT. You can also declare tax another if you have another tax, and you can also create tax groups from here. This is the general overview of the software. There is some calculator directly from this application, from the above menu from here. This is the profile for the current user. You can easily change password from here. If you want to upload, if you want to change anything, you can easily from here. and when you will click on sign out, you will come again on the login screen. So let me know either it is easy for you or not. Thank you very much. Bye bye.